How to build an API using Deepseek. Let's get started. To build an API using Deepseek's models, you can leverage Deepseek's AI platform, which is designed to be compatible with OpenAI's API platform. First, navigate to the website of Deepseek, sign up or log into your account. After logging in, you will be directed to this page. Now, here you're going to find the option of API keys. Click on it. Now, you will find the option of Create New API Key. Click on it. This key will authenticate your request. Deepseek's API base URL is api.deepseek.com. The API is compatible with OpenAI's format, allowing you to use existing OpenAI SDKs or software with minor configuration changes. Choose a language that supports HTTP requests, such as a Python, JavaScript, or others. For Python, you can use the OpenAI SDK. Configure the API client. Set up the client with your API key and the Deepseek base URL. Make your first API call. Prepare your request with the desired model and input. Then you can explore advanced features. Deepseek's API supports function calling, allowing the model to interact with external tools to enhance its capabilities. For applications requiring real-time data, you can enable streaming by setting the stream parameter to true in your request. Be aware of the API's rate limit to avoid exceeding the allowed number of requests. Implement error handling in your application to manage API errors gracefully. By following these steps, you can effectively build an API using Deepseek's models, leveraging their advanced capabilities in your applications. If this guide helped you, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.